In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer in Zoho Books. Whether you're setting up your business for the first time or simply adding a new client to your records, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step. To start, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your command center for managing your financial activities, and from here you'll find most of the functionality you'll need, including managing customers. Once you're logged into your Zoho Books account, look for the dashboard on the main homepage and click on it. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Customers section. You should see this option prominently. It's your gateway to managing your client base. Click on this to see a list of existing customers and other options related to customer management. On the Customers page, you'll need to add a new customer by clicking on the New button. This is usually located at the top of the page and is clearly marked. Clicking this will take you to a new form where you'll enter all necessary customer details. As you move to the form, the first step here is to choose a customer type. Zoho Books allows you to categorize customers, which can help in organizing and managing records more effectively, so select the type that best fits. Next, you'll fill in the salutation. This is a simple selection to personalize communications, such as Mr., Ms., Doctor, and so on. It's a small detail, but it contributes to maintaining a professional tone. After that, continue by entering the first name and last name of the customer. Be sure to double-check the spelling and accuracy, as this information is crucial for documenting and reaching out to your customer. You'll then move on to typing in the company name if your customer operates under a business entity. This is essential for B2B transactions and ensures that invoices and communications are properly addressed. Following this, you can select or add a display name. This is the name that will appear in your records and on invoice templates, so choose something easily recognizable. The next step involves entering the customer's email address. An accurate email ensures that invoices and communications reach your client without issue. Don't forget to include the phone number or mobile number. This is another point of contact and can be useful for quick communications or customer service needs. At this point, choose a tax rate if applicable. This is important for regions where tax collection is mandatory and ensures your invoices are compliant with local laws. You may also need to input a company ID for your customer. This is usually a business-specific identifier and can be essential for record keeping. Finally, choose the currency you will bill this customer in. This is crucial for international clients to clear any confusion on invoice amounts. Once all information is accurately filled in, click on Save to store the customer details in your Zoho Books database. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a new customer in Zoho Books. It's a simple yet comprehensive process designed to help you keep your business relationships organized and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.